Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video will be a fall clean with me and a little tour of our Halloween decorations. I'm trying so hard to channel the fall vibes, but it has still been so warm here in Arizona. I started in a sweatshirt and had to change pretty quick. I did just get my fall order of my Mrs. Myers set in the apple cider, and I'm so excited to be cleaning with this for the first time. It smells so good. And I just wanted to light one of my fall candles. This one is called Trick or Treat. I got it at our local grocery store, and it kind of has like a cinnamony, like pumpkin-y vibe to it, and it smells so yummy. So in this video, I'm just going to be starting in the kitchen and cleaning up the clean dishes, and then I'm going to be doing some more dishes. I always like to start in the kitchen. I don't know why. I feel like if my kitchen's clean, I just feel better about life. So I just recently got this little brush soap dispenser from Grove Collaborative, and it is so awesome. You add dish soap to it and a little bit of water, and you just push the brush up and down in there, and it gets it nice and sudsy, and it just like, you could do your dishes so fast. It actually makes washing dishes so much more fun, and I'm really enjoying this. I found one on Amazon too. This one's from Grove. I'll link them both down below. The one I found on Amazon looks really neat too, because Grove actually ran out of theirs, and I was gonna order one, but I just waited until this one came back in stock. But I was definitely looking on Amazon, so I will link them both down below for you guys. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have already ordered the Mrs. Myers fall scents. I'm just wondering, what is your all's favorite? Like, I don't know. I think I've smelled all of them, and I think I really like the apple cider the best. The pumpkin's really good too, and so is the mum. I have a candle in the mum, but I think apple cider is my favorite. What do you guys like? So we have had this plant since last Valentine's Day, and I don't know how this thing is still alive, but I keep forgetting to water it, and every time I go over there it's got brown leaves, and I don't even know how this thing's still alive, but it's still kicking somehow. And for some reason, I wasn't recording when I first cleaned the toilet in here. I started cleaning and I was like, what the heck? The camera wasn't even on. So I did kind of already do the toilet off camera, and then I just kind of re-wiped everything for you guys. But you would think I would have the hang of it by now, right? Alright guys, here are our Halloween decorations. If you guys missed my last video, it was my Dollar Tree Halloween haul that actually my husband did. He spent $95 at the Dollar Tree, so most of our decorations are from Dollar Tree. We did have a lot of stuff from the years before, but go check out that video and see what all we got. And the girls had so much fun decorating. We did let them do quite a bit of stuff by themselves. We have yet to do the outside decorations because we were getting a little bit of the Hurricane Rosa here in Arizona, so we didn't want to put stuff outside yet because of the weather, but we will be doing that shortly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!